Hey guys, Elliot here for Worldwide Auctioneers, and I wanted to share with you one of the amazing offerings we have from our upcoming Enthusiast auction. This is a 1962 Jaguar E-Type. Now, it's a very early car, which means you get the cool toggle switches. Of course, it's powered by the famous twin-cam inline-six, but this car in particular has been subject to a 2-year frame-off restoration, which means every nut and bolt on it is correct. And look at this color. It's called Opalescent Bronze, which just sounds fun to say, but it is a cool color and it's even more beautiful in person. This car is also cool because it actually has its hard top. You never see these cars with hard tops. This is an amazing car. It's correct, and it's here at Worldwide Auctioneers. Now, this car will be going across the block along with 250 other cars at our Enthusiast auction this weekend, April 25th and 26th. If you can't be here, you can always register to bid online, register to bid on the phone, but believe me, you're gonna wanna be here to see this Jaguar and all of the other 250 collector cars we have this weekend at the Enthusiast auction. We'll see you here in Auburn, Indiana this weekend.